In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and solve the "we're processing this video" issue on Google Drive. This common problem can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to view your content right away. But don't worry, with a few simple steps we'll have you watching your video in no time. Let's start by ensuring that we're navigating to the correct location. Open your Google Drive and use the search bar at the top to locate your video file. Type in a relevant keyword or the exact title to help you find it quickly. It's important to be in the right place first, so even if it feels like the video is tough to locate due to multiple files, this search filter can save you time and effort. Now once you've spotted the video, remember that large files can take longer to process. If the video is still in the processing stage, you might want to give it some time, especially if it's a lengthy video. Google Drive processes large files to ensure they are easy to stream, so a bit of patience can sometimes be required here. While it might be slightly inconvenient, rest assured this step is crucial for a seamless playback experience later on. If waiting isn't an option, or if the processing time seems unusually long, there's another way to get around it. Right-click on the video file to bring up a context menu. This menu gives you a range of options to interact with your file, and is a handy feature not just for this issue, but also for everyday use of Google Drive. Once the menu is open, look for the option that says Open With. Hover your mouse over this option and a secondary menu will appear. This menu lists different applications or options you can use to open your file outside of the default setting. It's a simple yet effective workaround that can save you a lot of headache when videos are perpetually processing. Here, choose Video Player for Google Drive. This isn't just your typical player, it's specifically designed to handle video files that might still be in processing limbo within Google Drive. By selecting this option, you're essentially bypassing the regular processing queue and jumping straight to playback. Following these steps should resolve the issue, giving you quick access to your video. With Google Drive's capabilities, understanding how to manage various situations can greatly enhance your experience. Try these steps next time you encounter this problem and see how they improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you back on track.